Software engineers, welcome back to the channel. I'll be your host Dev Nderitu, and I'm back again with another video. In this video we're still at the Restful Booker API, and in this video we'll be looking at the partial update booking. So we're just going to make a partial update on the booking, and without further ado, let's just get into it. So as you can see, as per the documentation that they have given us here, the number one thing that you need to watch out for is the request. So it's a patch. That means you're making a change, a partial change. So you're going to use the patch. You're used to using the get and post, but this time you're going to use patch. You've been given the URL that you're going to use, and given the fact that you're just changing like some partial data on a again, you're changing the partial data on a booking, we're going to give it a booking of 1 for example, that we want to make a change for. Then as you can see, the -h, you've got a header flag there, content type, accept, cookie, then you've got the token there. Then you want to give the ID of 1, going to change the first name to James and the last name to Brown. So without further ado, let's just head over to Postman and just implement this real quick. So I've headed over here to Postman, and the first thing I did was create a collection, which I named it Booker API Partial Update. Then we're going to we're going to give it like a name for the request. So it's called partial book. It's called partial booking. Partial update booking. It's partial. Let me just change the name here. Partial update booking. Once I've done that, we'll come here to the, let me just switch over to the browser. We have the Restful link here, so we're going to take this link. We just copy this link with the ID of the booking ID of 1. And given the fact that it's a patch, just head over to Postman. Just gonna head over to Postman. Then here you're gonna click on patch. Then you're gonna put the link there. Then the first thing is go change the headers. Just drag here. So we had the content type. Just put content type. Put content type there. Then we want to put it's application/JSON, right? It's application to JSON. Then you have the accept. Just change up here real quick. So got the accept. Then we got the application/JSON. That's the other thing that you need to do. Then we have cookie. Then you're gonna put the token there. Okay, just change up there a bit. Then you're gonna put the token. And I put the token there. Okay, now we have put the header. So let's just head back over to, so what I've done is I have taken the header elements. So I've taken this and put it in our Postman. Then the next thing is to put the JSON payload, which is this. I'm just gonna copy it as it is. Then let's just head over to Postman. And you head over to Postman, you go to the body, then you click on raw, then make sure you select JSON here. When you do that, we paste our data there, then we hit send. After you have done that, then you hit send, saying forbidden. So I tried it on my command line using curl as per the documentation that we were given, but still the patch, you're not able to do that because of I feel like they have like a few API, like you can't be able to do like a patch request like that. And yeah, I mean, but the whole thing is to be able to understand like a patch is just changing the you're just changing a part of like some data that has already been input in the through the API. You're trying to change some data. So in this case, we're just trying to change the name, but the ID is still the same. So yeah, still getting that forbidden error. So you're getting that error that is saying forbidden, and this is the same thing that I even got when I was using Carl as per their documentation. So yeah, tough luck. Sometimes sometimes it works, but it would have worked if I had created my own API and I was testing it. So yeah, I'm out. Happy coding.